If you want to turn off your TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy A56, well, it's quite easy to do, so simply follow my steps. So first of all, you can scroll through the screen using not one, but two fingers. So easy as that. Now let's swipe up to find our settings. How do you choose something while having TalkBack? So tap on object and now tap double time. Tap two times, right? So one tap and then two taps in order to activate this option. So let's scroll down to our accessibility. One tap, two taps. Great. Locate your TalkBack. One tap, two tap. Locate your on. One tap, two taps, and off. One tap, two tap. Easy as that. And now it's off and we can use our phone as normal. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.